This is a product that we can get excited about, that our customers can get excited about, because it's revolutionizing the industry. So in my career, I visited a number of mine sites, large construction company sites.
If that machine isn't moving, then there's no way that thing's making money.
We were out on a job site the other day where they were under-greasing a sizable excavator. They just had the whole machine rebushed and pinned. It was $80,000 to do that.
So with the automatic lubrication system, it takes care of that need.
Most people don't know that injectors haven't had any innovation done to the things in the last 80 years. The wonderful thing about Graco is with the research and development they've put in, we've introduced a completely different injector that's revolutionized the industry. The GCI injectors are that product.
Ease of install is a big one for us. You go to some of these mines and these haul trucks and you're looking at 18 injectors. And so the weight of that to try to mount those is pretty astronomical. With these new GCI injectors, you can go up to any old injector bank and you can unbolt the old one and bolt the new one right in.
Being able to change an injector out in 15 seconds is incredible. With the GCI injector, we're able to basically double the output of the standard GL1X injector. We're able to do the job of 2 injectors with 1 GCI. Our competitive injectors are only accurate to within plus or minus 25%. The GCI injectors are going to give us accuracy to within plus or minus 3%.
There's these collars that you could put on. You're metering the exact amount of grease, which is going to save money in the long run on your greasing.
I can't tell you how often we go out on a job site and have to troubleshoot a machine because the system is not pumping enough grease due to cold weather. We live in frigid climates. You know, in Idaho, we can get down to -30 at some of these mines and upwards of 105 degrees. Being able to have the confidence to go out to these job sites, put these GCI injectors on the machine and know that those grease points are going to get an adequate amount of grease is huge. Graco thought outside of the box and came up with the solution to a problem. We now have a product that's totally different. Let us bring the GCI injectors out, put them on your machine, give them a try, let them sell themselves. They'll make you additional money, they'll make your life easier, they'll keep you up and running.